Okay, foodies, so we're back, and while you guys were gone, I've cooked our eggplant, and I have got some red sauce on there, alrighty, and I'm gonna get some mozzarella on here because I'm making a parm. I'm making a mozzarella top parm, and what we're gonna do here is get our Parmesan cheese on top, just like this. Okay, and these are very tender eggplants. They're going to be just delicious. And then what I want to do is melt the cheese. So I'm going to get a little oregano right on top, just like that, okay? And then I'm going to put the lid on, and we're going to let that melt the cheese. And when we come back, see how simple this is? No breading involved, no frying involved. We're grilling, we're doing it low fat, and we're doing it for you and your family. So this is Peter Car Pizzas. We'll be back, and we're gonna plate this up. And don't forget, under here, I have 2 of our smashed lamb burgers, okay? And we're gonna plate these up when we come back. Pete out.